Noun. A noun is a word that generally functions as the name of a specific object or set of objects, such as living creatures, places, actions, qualities, states of existence, or ideas. Nouns make up the largest class of words in most languages including English. They can refer to things, book, people, knower, animals, lion, places, India, qualities, softness, ideas, justice, or actions, run. Types of noun. Nouns can be broadly classified into proper nouns, common nouns, singular nouns, plural nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, collective nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns. A proper noun is a noun that identifies a single entity and is used to refer to that entity, Africa, Jupiter, Sarah, Microsoft, or a noun that refers specifically to a person, place, or thing is called a proper noun. For example, my name is Albert. John came back from Israel. A common noun is the generic name for a person, place, or thing in a class or group. Unlike proper nouns, a common noun is not capitalized unless it either begins a sentence or appears in a title. For example, I bought a book yesterday. I am going to college. Thank you for watching our video. For more courses details, subscribe our channel.